Here's how to use a YouTube-like bot in 2026 instantly. Let's begin. First, go to Naizop.com using the link in the description below. And once you are there, create an account or log in using Google to get started quickly. Next, go to the deposit section where you can top up using card, crypto, and other secure payment methods so you can place your order. After that, click on New Order, use the search bar and type YouTube likes. Then select the first option, which costs $7.62 per 1,000 likes, as that is the service we are using today. Now add your YouTube video link, enter the amount you want. For this test, we are using 100 likes, and then tap Order Now. The system will process it instantly. As you can see, after refreshing the video page, the likes were delivered exactly as expected. It's that simple. Visit Naizop using the link in the description. Like, share, and subscribe for more social growth tips in 2026. And always remember to follow YouTube's terms of service and proceed at your own discretion.